piece, you have the power to create a look that is to you a dramatic your outfit with a traditional touch while a delicate floral crown can enhance a bohemian white that with your soul. You can understand that wedding dress can be unique and but feel not. I have made sure to some affordable opinion that are just remember the step does not delicate set. I think of delicate jewelry that like your love well that has and important in completing your wedding day book. You can in, enhance your outfit with jewelries and hairpiece to create a unique style that reflects your personality. A dramatic way can provide a traditional touch while a flower crown a bohemian. We understand that dresses can be but fear not as we have some affordable opinion that are still taking the price tag doesn't always the beauty of a dress what truly matter even if you can't find exactly what you are looking for. Designers after customization opinion elegant with the and think of your special day. When it comes to wedding cloth shopping, it is to keep an open mind and the beauty to try on different styles. By doing so we can truly what we best on what with your unique. It can also be your honest opinion and using sport throughout this real design making process. Now let's dive into the classic pride in the world with countless opinion and styles available. You are sure to find a dress of your dreams. When it comes to ring dresses shopping, open mind and try on different styles to discover what suits you best. Having a trust friend or family member in company you can provide opinion and support throughout your design making process. Now let's explore something dress ideas that will inspire you. I am absolutely thrilled to be here today as we embark on a journey into one of the most accepts any wedding, the wedding dress. Your wedding day is an undeniably one of the most special days of your life, and it's day when you want to confidence, elegance, and share beauty. The perfect wedding dress out that perfectly a one with your taste. There is how it makes you feel. Customization opinion allowing you to create to the one of kind god that perfectly matches your personal style. And whether you are in changing the grand of arctic, there is a wedding dress out there that will complete your make you feel like the most beautiful bride in the world. The sheeting of style and opinion available ensures that you will find the dress that perfectly with the and setting of your special day. Embarking on the journey of choosing your wedding dress is a forgettable experience, and we encourage you to keep an open mind as you explore different trying on with the design will help you what suits you best and with your unique sense. Don't forget to invite a trusted friend or family member to comp. There is a dress out there that will make you feel like the most beautiful in the world in the opinion and style and important is complementing your wedding day book. You can enhance your outfit, create a unique style that reflects your personality. A dramatic way can provide a traditional touch, while a flower crown evoke a bohemian. We understand that reading dresses can be expensive, but fear not, as we have some affordable opinion that are still taking the price tag. Doesn't always the beauty address why truly matter, even if you can't find absolutely what you are looking for. Designers after customization opinion elegant with the enchants and sing of your special day. When it comes to wedding clothes shopping, it is to keep an open mind and the beauty to try on different styles. By doing so we can truly what suits we best of on what with your unique. It can also using sport throughout this real design making in the trolley fashion and supporting in my channel and content. Why understand that wedding glasses can be expensive but fraud not. I have elegance and personalization. Delicate jewelry, active or flower crown can enhance your style, adding a touch, married and trumpal smells. Go here are some key details to consider. Delicate work, unique and a touch of SP to your and a volume means and supporting my channel. Modern with a sleek and elegant shaped dresses that your CES and celebrates your confidence that will make you feel like the most beautiful bride in the world with a plethora of opinion and style available. You are bound to find the dresses of your dreams when embarking on your wedding dress shopping journey. It is to keep an open mind and try again. And thank you so much for the watching my videos. Thank you.